y'all, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Happy New Year, you guys. I cannot believe that we're already in the middle of January. Okay, we are in 2026. It is crazy how fast time is moving. But I am excited and happy to come to you guys and share this little unboxing with you all. So if you guys don't know, January is actually my birthday month. So I tend to do a bit of celebrating during the month of January. I wanted to come and share with you guys this exciting new unboxing from Chanel. Chanel is actually my favorite luxury house. Okay, now Chanel's pricey. All right, she's very pricey, so she doesn't really see me too much these days. Okay, I can't tell you the last time I actually purchased a handbag. I don't think I purchased a handbag at all, or a luxury handbag at all in 2025. I don't believe I did, but I'm happy to bring this one to you guys today. Here we have the bag right here, you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So this year for my birthday, I went to Miami. So I went back home. I'm originally from Miami. But I did go ahead and do some like browsing when I was there. And I stopped by the Chanel in Bal Harbour. And this is, well, when did I first see this bag? Yes, I first saw this bag at the Chanel in Bal Harbour, but it wasn't in this color. And I have been getting an itch to get a Chanel bag in this color in particular. I've been going back and forth because I just wasn't sure if it was the right decision to make. I wasn't sure, like I knew I would use it, but I didn't know if it was gonna be the best investment. And then I was like, you know what? I take care of my bags. I'm really good with it. Buying this directly from boutique, if anything happens, I definitely plan on bringing it back to the boutique. So anywho, enough rambling. Here's the box. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open her up. I reached out to my SA here in Atlanta to see if they had the bag available, and she said they were gonna have to order it. But if you guys don't know, Chanel just recently released their 26P, I believe. I think it's pre-spring summer. And I went ahead and went in store to visit my SA. She told me to stop by. I went in store. I tried on quite a few different bags from between Miami and Atlanta. I tried on quite a few different bags, and I ended up landing on this one still. All right, so it is in, ooh, the bags have changed. The dust bags have changed. Very nice. I like this feel of this new like dust bag. Let's go ahead and take her out. And here she is. All right, so here is the bag right here, you guys. This is a white Chanel kind of like mini hobo style bag, okay? So it does feature this chain strap here. It does have champagne gold hardware. You can open up the bag right here to get inside. You don't have to do that, but you can do that to like maneuver easier inside of the bag. This is called the Classic Clutch with chain in gold. Focus, there you go, in case you want it. And yeah, you guys, so I originally tried this bag on in black, and man, it looks so good. And I was like, oh my gosh, I feel like this would look so nice in white. And what I love about this bag is the versatility, right? You guys know I'm definitely a versatile girl. Like I love to make sure that whenever I see a bag that like allows me to have some versatility, I'm all here for it, right? So the fact that you can hold this bag top handle, you can also wear this bag crossbody, so you can wear it like this. But I likely won't wear this bag crossbody just because I don't want any color transfer, so I'll most likely wear it top handle. But what I do love about this bag is the fact that you can also, the SA showed me, you can also take this strap out if you want. So I'm gonna leave the paper, I'm gonna leave the bag stuffed for right now. But you can go in here, you can take the strap off. So you can, I won't do it on this side just because I don't want to go through all that hassle. So I'll just try to tuck it behind so you guys can kind of see the vision. You can take the strap out to where you hold the bag just like this, and it doesn't have any strap hanging from it. And then you can also just go ahead and put the strap back inside as well. One more thing you can do as well, which is how I saw the bag, is that you can also bring the strap in. Like you can kind of take it this way, wear it like this, where this chain strap is hanging on the front. I think that is so cute. When I originally saw the bag with the chain strap hanging, I thought this was just like decor. And when she pulled it through and showed how long the strap was and showed that it was a crossbody, I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But it will hold everything else that I usually carry. I don't carry much. I usually just carry like my wallet, my keys, my lip products, a little lotion, a little small hand sanitizer, and like maybe one or two little bits and bobs, and that's it. So I don't carry a ton day to day, especially at night. I limit even more when I'm carrying things at night. And yeah, like this is so cute, you guys. No, it's crazy to get a white bag, but I actually have this white bag. I have this bag from Jacquemus, and when I tell you I wore this bag down, y'all, I wear this bag down in the summertime. And because I'm such a Chanel girl, I'm like, it's the perfect opportunity to go ahead and add a white Chanel bag to the mix. So I have a little bit more variety. This one is a little bit edgier. And like I said, I wore it a lot in the summertime. And this one is a little more like classic, cute, a little bit more dainty. So I love the versatility between these bags. I knew it was going to be a good investment for me to go ahead and get this white bag because I wore this one so much. And right now I'm at the phase where I'm just literally like, I need to be wearing my stuff. Like, I'm not getting things just to look pretty and just to sit on my shelf. Like, I need to be wearing my things. So I do like audits of my bags, my clothing. You guys know this if you guys have seen my closet purges and my closet like organization videos. I go through, I'm actually probably going to go through my jeans pretty soon, but I go through and I clear things out, okay? So with bags, I noticed that they had a bag or two in the past where it just looked really pretty. I really liked it. I thought I could make it work, and I wasn't able to, and it wasn't as easy. So I sold them so I can get bags like this. Okay, so you guys know I am on a one bag in, one bag out type of thing. So this is the new one that is in, and I'm obsessed with her. So yeah, it's gonna go. I'm just gonna hold it up next to a few different things here. It's gonna go with so much. This is... You guys, I'm going to be very vigilant with this bag, right? So I'm probably going to baby her a little bit more than some of my other bags. I'm not a bag babyer, but I do take care of my stuff. This one, I'm probably going to be babying her just a little bit more because of the color transfer, because it's white. Although with this Jacquemus one, I didn't baby this one. Like, I wore this one. I did what I had to do. But this one, I'm going to baby her a little bit more. And that's okay. I'm okay with that, right? But yeah, this one right here, good price point. Considering certain Chanel bags are $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, $11,000, girl, and I'm not doing that. So this one is well below the price of some of the other bags at Chanel, which I love. And I also love, again, the versatility. I know I'm a Chanel vanity girl. I love the vanity bags. I love the way it looks. I'm always here for a classic, but something fun and different like this style always will stick out to me, and especially because of the versatility with a bag like this. Okay, let's talk about Chanel bags really quick. I know I did that little unboxing. Let's talk about the bags that have definitely been on my radar. Like I said, I haven't purchased a bag from Chanel in a while. So of course, naturally, when I'm in store, I want to like try on different pieces, see how I feel about them. And that bag, I forgot to mention, is also in caviar leather, which for a white handbag from Chanel, I knew it was going to have to be caviar. I don't have any other caviar bags. The other caviar bag that I had in my collection, it was a cocoa handle that I sold. But this one right here, I knew, girl, if I was getting white, it was going to have to be caviar. It was not going to be lambskin, although I am a lambskin girl. I'm not afraid of lambskin in like smaller bags. I'm not afraid of it. I have no issues with it. My bags have not given me any issues, and pretty much all of my bags are lambskin. I just make sure to not get it wet, and I just make sure to be a little bit mindful, not babying, but mindful when I'm carrying them. But the Chanel Kelly, y'all, I tried that on in probably 4 to 5 different colors, and I am obsessed. I am obsessed with the shape of it. I love how it looks so classic, but it's also still fun. It comes with a crossbody strap as well. I love how it's a top handle. It is such a gorgeous bag. This yellow right here, when I tried it on, stunner. This pink, I wouldn't get this pink because I know I wouldn't wear it as much. But that pink, stunning, gorgeous. I would have to really stop myself from getting black because I feel like a black bag like that is just so classic. It's so timeless and it's perfect for my wardrobe. But I want to get a color in this one. So I have a few videos going, if you guys can see here on the sides. But y'all, that Chanel Kelly, So cute. Chanel 26, I was able to try that on in a few different sizes as well. The small size is pretty practical, and for the price point in terms of the difference of prices, it makes sense if you spend a little bit more to get the small if you need more space. But again, I don't carry a lot. I'm a mini handbag girl, so that Chanel 26 mini was T. But like I said, the only issue was the fact that the closure is kind of open, and I don't know how comfortable I would feel wearing that day to day, pretty much. Those are a few bags that I tried on. I saw so many amazing pieces that came through from like the last collection and this current one. So I'm just gonna keep my eyes out. Again, I love Chanel, okay? Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions about the bag. And please, guys, I'm sure someone's gonna say I'm crazy for getting a white handbag. Hey, it is what it is. I got it. I'm happy I have it. It's gonna stay in my collection, and that's it. All right, I will come back to report if anything changes, but I'm grateful that I have her in my collection. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in again. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.